Lend a hand to one another in the daily toil of life. When we meet a weaker brother, let us help him in the strife. There is none so rich but may, in his turn, be forced to borrow, and a poor man's allot today may become our own tomorrow. Namaskar everyone. Today I, Akshar Dabur of Grade 6 Chanakya, is here to host our class's first universal assembly on the topic Happiness Springs from Helping Others. Nothing can be started without the remembrance of the Almighty who created this beautiful world. So let's begin our assembly with the school prayer.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
So now allow me to brighten up your day by calling Mandronak for the thought of the day.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Manronak Singh and the thought of the day is if you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help someone. Thank you.
Thank you, Mandronak, for an awesome thought. Now, as we are already happy enjoying the assembly, let's learn some facts about happiness too. So here I invite Tanisha, Uruz, Praneeth, Vipu and Mandronak for it.
Namaskar everyone. Today I, Tanisha Agrawal, grade 6 Chanakya, is here to tell you some interesting facts about happiness. The maximum laughter happens over social responses, which means that only 10 to 15% of it is actually due to jokes. Thank you.
Hello, I am Bebu Mehrotra and I am here to tell you some interesting facts about happiness. Adults laugh about 15 to 30 times per day. Females laugh slightly more than men and babies. They laugh 300 times per day.
Namaskar everyone, today Aruz Fatima of Grade 6 Chanakya is here to present some interesting facts about happiness. If you laugh a lot, you may get sick less often. Laughing causes a hormone called HGH to be released. HGH boosts the immune system and kills germs.
Our heavy laughter brings in much more oxygen than the normal breathing we do.
Namaskar, my name is Manronak. I study in class 6. I am the student of the Gurukul Foundation School. I am going to tell you interesting facts. A child of age of 6 years laughs 3 times more than the adult. The average person laughs in a day is about 13 times. Thank you.
Thank you all. Next, I would like to call my friends Parki, Mudit and Khadija for the speech.
Good morning to all my respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I, Parki Kamboj of class 6B is here to present a speech on happiness spring from helping others. Everybody wants to be happy. It is a fundamental right. What if I tell you that the more you value your happiness, the less likely you are to feel happy? This is what two studies from University of Denver have evidenced. Feeling happy seems not be in relation to your own happiness, but to other happiness. It is scientifically proven. The secret to happiness is helping others. We always heard that helping others makes you happier and increases your well-being. You have probably experienced it and it feels great. When you do good, you feel released from stress. It is like a boost of happiness. Researchers have been using functional magnetic resonance imaging to explain this phenomenon. The best part is that science has proven it to be true. So yes, when you focus your attention on the needs of someone else, you find the way of your life of happiness. Less stress, more well-being, improved physical and mental health, and a better world. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Mudit Sani. I study in the Gurukul Foundation School in grade 6 Chanakya. On this virtual assembly, I will speak on the topic happiness. What is happiness? Happiness springs from helping others. Helping others is not only good for them, but a good thing to do it. It makes us happy and healthier too. Giving also connects us to others, creating stronger communities and helping them to build a happier society for everyone. Everybody wants to be happy. It's a fundamental right. What if I tell you that the more you value your happiness, the less likely you are to feel happy? This is what two studies from the University of Denver have evidenced. Feeling happy seems not to be in your relation to your happiness. What a catch 2020. It is scientifically proven the secret to happiness is helping others. We have always heard that helping others makes us happy and increase your well-being. You have probably experienced it and it feels great. So when you do something good, you feel released from stress. It is like a boost of happiness. Researchers have been using fMRI, that is functional magnetic resonance imaging, to explain this phenomenon. The best part is that science has proven it to be true. So yes, when you focus your attention on the needs of someone else, you find the way of happiness, less stress, more well-being, improved mental and physical health, and a better world. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. Today I, Khadija Sofia of grade 6 Chanakya, is here to present a speech on happiness brings in helping others. Everybody wants to be happy. It is a fundamental right. What if I tell you that the more you value your happiness, the less likely you are to feel happy? This is what two studies from the University of Denver have evidenced. Feeling happy seems not to be happy in something in relation to your own happiness but to others' happiness. But a catch-22. It is scientifically proven that the secret to happiness is helping others. You have always heard that when you help others, you feel happier and it increases your well-being. You have probably experienced it and it feels great. When you do good, you feel released from stress and it is like a boost to happiness. Researchers have been using functional magnetic resonance imaging or fMRI to explain this phenomena. The great part is that science has also proven it to be true. So yes, if you focus your attention on someone else's need, you find a new way of life, of happiness, release from stress, more well-being, and a better way of life. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. So here I go with Anahita for reciting an amazing Hindi poem.
नमस्कार, मैं अनाहिता कश्यप आज आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है खुशी। इसके लेखक अज्ञात हैं और कविता कुछ इस प्रकार से है। बहुत दिन बाद पकड़ में आई थोड़ी सी खुशी, बहुत दिन बाद पकड़ में आई थोड़ी सी खुशी, तो पूछा कहाँ रहती हो आजकल, ज़्यादा मिलती नहीं। यही तो हूँ जवाब मिला। बहुत भाव खाती हो खुशी, कुछ सीखो अपनी बहन से, हर दूसरे दिन ही हमसे मिलने चली आती है। परेशानी आती तो मैं भी हूँ पर आप ध्यान नहीं देते। अच्छा तो कहाँ थी तुम जब पड़ोसी ने नई गाड़ी ली, और तब कहाँ थी जब रिश्तेदार ने बड़ा घर बनाया। शिकायत होठों पे थी कि उसने बीच में टोक दिया, शिकायत होठों पे थी कि उसने बीच में टोक दिया। मैं रहती हूँ कभी आपके बच्चों की किलकारियों में, कभी एक अच्छी फिल्म देखने में, कभी गुम कर मिली हुई किसी चीज़ में, कभी रिश्तेदारों की परवाह में, कभी मॉनसून की पहली बारिश में, कभी कोई गाना सुनने में। दरअसल थोड़ा थोड़ा बांट देती हूँ खुद को छोटे छोटे पलों में और उनके एहसासों में। लगता है चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ गया है आपका जनाब, लगता है चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ गया है आपका, सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों में ही ढूंढते हो मुझे। खैर अब तो पता चल गया होगा ना मेरा, अब ढूंढ लेना मुझे आसानी से छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में। धन्यवाद।
It was incredibly done. Thank you. And here comes the dance that was saved by our class for the last, on a very well known song, Don't Worry Be Happy.
happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. The landlord said your rent is late. You may have to litigate, but don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style. Ain't got no gal to make you smile. Don't worry, be happy. 'Cause when you worry, your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
It was indeed a great performance. Thank you. Now I would request each one of you to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
At the last, I would like to thank all of you for taking a part in our assembly and watching it with patience. I hope you had a good time. Thanking you all once again on the behalf of the whole family of TGFS. Thank you.